है विरेचन जिसको कहते हैं परगेशन। तीसरा होता है नस्य जिसको बोलते हैं नेजल इंसर्शन यानी ऑयल इंसर्शन इन द नॉस्ट्रिल्स। उसके बाद होती है बस्ती, इसका मतलब होता है एनिमास। और सबसे लास्ट में होती है रक्त मोक्षण जिसको बोलते हैं ब्लड लेटिंग। नाउ इस कंट्री में वमन यानी कि एमेसिस और ब्लड लेटिंग यानी रक्त मोक्षण ये दो प्रोसीजर्स पे बैन है, तो वो हम नहीं कर सकते। लेकिन उसके अलावा बाकी की जो 3 प्रोसीजर्स हैं, जो विरेचन यानी कि परगेशन, बस्तीज यानी कि एनिमा और नस्य, वमन और रक्त मोक्षण के लिए हम ऐसी हर्ब्स देते हैं जो उसी काइंड की इफेक्ट बॉडी में देती हैं और उस एरिया को वो क्लेंस करने में काम करती हैं। और जो बाकी की 3 प्रोसीजर हैं वो हम 7 दिन, 10 दिन, 14 दिन और 21 दिन के प्रोग्राम में प्रॉपरली पेशेंट्स को देते हैं, जिसके कारण फायदा होता है। तो आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू वन आफ्टर वन एवरी प्रोसीजर व्हाट इट इज ऑल अबाउट हियर।
तो अभी कॉलर के साथ बात करते हैं। हेलो जी, आपको क्वेश्चन पूछना था।
Yes, I do.
बोलिए।
Hi, Doctor, I just want to ask you, what happened to me is that recently I was in hospital and what I had was really bad abdominal pain.
Okay.
They couldn't determine what it was, so I had an endoscopy.
Okay.
And when I had the endoscopy, before that, they saw that I had water, and I had fluid in my abdomen because I had a really bad infection.
Okay.
And then when they operated, they had to operate on me, and they said I had adhesions.
Yeah.
So I think that's like scar tissue.
Okay.
And then I've been on very, very strong antibiotics.
Okay.
So I just want to know what's the best thing, and I had really bad swelling in my abdomen.
Okay.
So I just want to know what's the best thing now for me to just get my body back into.
Okay, back into the balance. Okay. Listen on the television, I'll tell you what is it all about. Basically, swelling in the abdomen, as you said, they found a fluid, and fluid means infection, because yes, any kind of accumulation in the stomach, and if it stays there for a long time, it do the bacterial multiplication, and that's called the infection in the system. Adhesions in this case, they've done the operation to remove that area, the fluid from that. What basically Ayurveda suggests that if these things not happen again and acid don't accumulate or fluid don't accumulate in that area, you should take 3 things ASAP to get rid of the swelling in the abdominal area. The first thing you need to take is called the Meshghan. Meshghan is the tablet which is basically goes in there, take all kind of infections in the system and putting through the stool. So 1 capsule morning and evening can help you in that. Second one is the Punarnava. That's the best thing to have it in this condition. So Punarnava 1 capsule morning and 1 capsule evening can help in this condition as well. And the third one is the Boswellia. Any kind of inflammation in the body anywhere, either in the joints or muscles or tendons or ligaments or in the tissue, Boswellia can treat it. So you can take the 1 capsule of Boswellia morning and evening. I repeat all the 3 medications again: Meshghan, Punarnava and Boswellia. If you don't feel better after a week or 10 days of this medication, I suggest come and meet me with your all the reports. I'll definitely help you. Thank you.
थैंक यू। तो डॉक्टर रोहन, आपसे पंचकर्मा के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, तो आप क्या ये रेकमेंड करोगे कि अगर जैसे 7 डे प्रोग्राम है या 14 डे प्रोग्राम है, इसके लिए जैसे जॉब से थोड़ा सा टाइम ऑफ लेना चाहिए?
देखिए, जनरली ऐसा होता है कि बहुत ही बिजी कंट्री है तो लोग छुट्टियां ले नहीं सकते। कई बार मेरे पेशेंट्स जो हैं वो एडवांस में ही छुट्टियां प्लान करते हैं इस प्रोग्राम के लिए, तो दे गेट द मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट ऑफ इट। उनको एवरी डे 2 से 3 घंटे मेरे क्लिनिक में आना होता है
जी।
तो आइदर वो काम के बाद शाम को भी आ सकते हैं, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट मेकिंग यू स्टॉप डूइंग योर रेगुलर वर्क्स
जी।
ऑफ कोर्स अगर आप घर पे आराम कर रहे हैं तो यू गेट द मोस्ट ऑफ बेनिफिट्स आउट ऑफ इट। लेकिन अगर आप नहीं कर सकते तो देयर is also procedure. You can come in the morning and go to the work, or you can come after the work and go straight to the home and relax. So yeah, we can do both the ways. Yeah,
that's very good. तो अभी चलते हैं कॉलर के पास, उनसे बात करते हैं। हेलो। यस, आपको क्वेश्चन पूछना था।
Yes, please.
हाँ, बोलिए।
Yes. You know, on my cheeks there is like dark circles. Both of my cheeks. And I would like to remove them. मुझे ये remove करना है.
On your cheeks?
Yes.
Okay. What is your age, please?
Age is 46.
Okay, and you already had the menopause, or you're still having the periods?
last 3 months, after 3 months I had my period.
Okay.
It's kind of the menopause. I
Okay.
don't know. I haven't checked yet.
Okay, no problem. Listen on the television. I'll tell you this problem I already told before as well. Yes, this is the PMS, the premenopausal syndrome, or you can say the menopausal syndrome. What happened that your ovaries are stopped producing the estrogen, and then when estrogen goes all the way down, then it's a hyperpigmentation of the skin starts.